Hello and welcome to 3-Minute Mathematics. This question is a compound distribution question, and in this case it's a compound Poisson distribution. We're told that the total claims arising from a certain portfolio of insurance policies over a given month is represented in this form. So we have a total amount of claims S, it's the sum over n claims, where n is unknown, of xi, where xi is the level of each individual claim, and 0 if there's no claims. We're told that n has a Poisson distribution with mean 2, that is lambda equals to 2, and x1, x2, xn, all these individual claims, is a sequence of independent, identically distributed random variables. They're also independent of n, the number of claims, and their distribution is such that xi, each xi can take a value 1 or value 2, takes value 1 with the probability 1/3, value 2 with the probability 2/3. An aggregate reinsurance contract is in place, such that the amount paid by the reinsurer is S, the total claim, less 3. So this is an excessive loss claim. If the total claim is over 3, the reinsurer pays that excess. The aggregate claims paid by the direct insurer and the reinsurer are written down as SI and SR. We're asked to calculate the expected values. So a very straightforward question. We just need to work out from this text exactly what's being asked. Well, we can first of all think about the expected value of the total claim. Forget about the reinsurance policy. What would that be? Well, this is a compound Poisson distribution. So the expected value of S is the expected number of claims multiplied by the expected value of each claim. This is a Poisson distribution, so the expected value of a Poisson distribution is its parameter, lambda, so that's 2. What's the expected value of each claim? Well, we're told it can take value 1 with probability 1/3, or value 2 with probability 2/3. So the expected size of a claim is 1/3 plus 4/3, or 5/3. Multiply that by 2, the expected number of claims, we get 10/3 as the expected total claim, forgetting about the insurer-reinsurer part. We know that that total claim must equal the sum of the expected amount that's going to be paid by the direct insurer, SI, and the expected amount that's going to be paid by the reinsurer, SR. So all we need to do to calculate both of these is calculate one of them. So we'll look at SI, direct insurer. Now we know that the direct insurer makes payments if SI is equal to 0, 1, 2 or 3. If it's 4, if the total amount of claims is 4, the direct insurer still only pays 3 because the reinsurer kicks in there. So let's look at these individual probabilities. What's the probability that SI equals 0? Well, that's the probability that there's no claims. Remember, the number of claims is Poisson distributed, so the probability that n equals 0 is just e to the minus lambda, or e to the minus 2. The probability that SI equals 1, well, that's the probability that there's one claim, and its value has to take the value 1. So that's probability n equals 1 in the Poisson distribution, that's e to the minus lambda, multiplied by lambda over 1 factorial, multiplied by, well, what's the probability of claim, given the claim happens, is equal to 1, well, we were told that was 1/3. Looking at the probability that the claim, so the aggregate claim for the direct insurer is 2, well, there are several ways that could happen. Either there's one claim and it takes a value 2, or there are two claims, each of which take a value 1. We can work each of those probabilities out individually. N equals 1 with probability e to the minus lambda, lambda over 1 factorial, multiplied by the probability of the claim, given it happens is 2, that's 2/3, plus n equals 2, that's e to the minus lambda, and lambda squared over 2 factorial, multiplied by the probability of the claim is 1, 1/3, and the probability of the second claim is 1, another 1/3. Looking at the probability that the direct insurer pays a claim of 3, well, that's the probability that the total claim, the aggregate claim, is more than 3 or equal to 3. Remember, because the reinsurance is in place, if the total claim is more than 3, the direct insurer still pays 3, the reinsurer pays the remaining claim. We can calculate that easily from what we have now, because that's just 1 minus the probability that SI is 0, 1 or 2.
He plays them great
Given these three numbers now, we can work out the expected value of SI. It's just 0 times the probability 0, plus 1 times the probability 1, plus 2 times the probability 2, plus 3 times the probability 3. Normal expectation. So that comes out to be 2.203. We know now then that the expected value for the reinsurer is just the expected value of S, which we worked out to be 10/3, less the expected value for the direct insurer. So that turns out to be 1.13.